Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most useful wooden projects. New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I'm back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden projects. New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another. Every design is beautiful and trendy, mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see. If you want to buy these very beautiful wooden projects, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, evoke.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful wooden projects easily. These websites in very reasonable price. Highly running ideas you can see. So beautiful, most beautiful. You can easily make these very beautiful wooden projects if you know woodworking ideas. Easy to make beautiful and trendy wooden projects and decorate your room, your lounge, beautiful and trendy stylish woodworking ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives a feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was I done? How was the designs of beautiful and trendy woodworking ideas, wooden products? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.